Hola! What are today's messages? Let's pick an animal card and see what we get. Lion. Higher calling. You have within you all the courage you need. Let go of the past and reclaim your majesty. You will find success and contentment with those by your side. Make noble choices for your life and your tribe. All right, which envelope or box has our quotes today? This one's calling my name. Next time someone asks you how much you weigh, tell them 100 and sexy. Thought that one was cute. 1 minute you are young and cool, maybe even a little dangerous. The next minute you are reading Amazon reviews for birdseed. The quality of your life is a direct reflection of the health of your nervous system. You will never be this age again. Do what makes you happy. Yes, yes. That moment when you talk to yourself and start smiling like an idiot because you are just so hilarious. And the last one today. Some days I just need someone to remind me I exist, that I am knowable, seeable, and lovable. Absolutely. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.